Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Ogachukwu here, and today's video I'm going to be taking you through my 5 or maybe more very easy and beginner friendly head wrap, including this on my head. So if you're interested and you want to see these easy head wraps, you want to follow along and stay tuned. For this video, we're going to be going from the simpler to the simple one because all of them is simple. So for the first style, this is a scarf that I use. This scarf is a bit stretchy, and for the style is as simple as ABC. You just fold your scarf like this and tie it at the back like this. You can simply tie it like this and you are good to go. Or twist the remaining ends of the scarf and make a rose with it. This one is giving bossy, it's giving it's giving who is that, it's giving who are you. I think this one, basically I usually wear it when I'm on wig. I think it just makes it better. For the second style, this is the head wrap that I used. This head wrap has been divided into two, and this is not the normal length when you buy it. So basically just follow it like the way you're seeing, and the difference between this and the first one is just the length of the scarf. You can do more with the length of the scarf. Just follow it exactly like this and knot it at the back and you are good to go. This is also good for wig or even a simple long braid. For number 3, I'm going to use these two scarves together. So I'm using that scarf because I have all back and I'm trying to imitate a packed hair at the back. If you have hair on, you can simply pack it and tie this style. So the first scarf was small, so I had to change it. These styles are simple. You just follow these steps that I am following and you're good to go. So the next style, we're moving from this previous style to this one. Instead of tying it at the back, you just simply make a tight twist with the remaining section of the scarf and make a rose with it. You want to make sure that the twist is very tight to help you form a good and firm rose. This rose can also be anywhere, that you want it to be. The front, the side too, can be anywhere depending on your choice. For the fifth style, I was simply trying to make a bow tie at the top front, and even though this material is not the best material for this because it's kind of stretchy, it still worked. So if you are trying to make this style, you want to use a scarf that is not so stretchy, something firm, so that the bow tie will stay in place. So, and if this is not, if you're not understanding this, you can simply reduce the playback speed and repeat until you get what I am trying to do. So I simply made the bow tie and folded the remaining part into the scarf, just like the way that you're seeing me do. And that's the end for this one. Just like that, you've gotten it. So if you're trying to make this style, you also take note of the length of the scarf. You don't want to use something that is so long that when you're done doing a bow tie, you still get another bow tie. You still get a length that can make another bow tie. It will not be able to fold into the rest of your scarf. So this is the final style. This is the sixth style, and it's pretty much simple too. Like I said earlier, all these styles are simple. I just folded in, just a simple folding, just to give it weight and folds to look like it's something that's in different step. Did the same for the other side, and the small part that is remaining, I made a twist with it and formed a small rose, and that's all. That's just it. Just like that, you are done. You also want to make sure that this twisting is tight, as it will help the rose to stay in place and to make it smaller and finer. That will be all for today. I hope this is helpful to you. If you watched up to this point, thank you. Thank you so much. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.